do or does in questions and in negative statements.
Please subscribe to Teaching Clips by Marcos Sanchez on YouTube for more videos.
How do we use do or does in statements? Use do with pronouns I, you, we, and they.
I do.
You do.
We do.
They do.
Also use do with plural nouns.
My friends do their exercise.
The children do their homework.
Use does with the pronouns he, she, and it.
He does. She does.
It does.
Use does with singular nouns.
The doctor does his job.
My sister does the dishwashing.
Use don't with pronouns I, you, we, and they.
I don't live here.
You don't play football.
We don't go home late.
They don't drink coffee.
Use don't with plural nouns. Plural nouns name two or more people, things or ideas.
The mothers don't listen to music.
The cars don't have drivers.
The boys don't walk to school together.
The guards don't open the doors late at night.
How do we use does not or doesn't in negative statements? Use doesn't with the pronouns he, she, and it.
He doesn't play tennis.
She doesn't go to parties.
It doesn't work well.
Use doesn't with singular noun that names one person, one thing, or a single idea.
Martin doesn't watch TV. The boy doesn't like vegetables.
My cousin doesn't go to the gym. The doctor doesn't come late.
How do we use do in questions? We use do before I, you, we, and they.
Do you have a sister? Do you go shopping on Saturday?
Do I have a homework? Do we travel by train?
We use do before plural nouns.
Do the shops open at 9 a.m.?
Do Anna and Lena work at a hospital?
Do my friends want to be famous? Do the banks close at 3 p.m.?
How do we use does in questions? We use does before the pronouns he, she, and it.
Does he have a farm?
Use does with a base verb not ending in s or ed.
Does she play the piano? Does it rain in the afternoon there?
Use does before a singular noun that names one person, thing, or idea.
Does Yusuf have a new job? Does your family visit your grandparents regularly?
Does the man paint beautiful views?